Now it says there are 6 red balls and 6 green balls in a bag. 5 balls are drawn out at random and placed in a red box. Remaining 7 balls are put in a green box. If the probability that number of red balls in green box plus the number of green balls in the red box is not a prime number is P by Q, where P and Q are relatively prime, find the value of P plus Q. So initially we have 6 red and 6 green balls. Now from this we have drawn 5 balls and we have put those 5 balls in the red box. And then remaining 7 balls, they are put in green box. Now it says if the probability that number of red balls in green box. So suppose number of red balls in green box is R and number of green balls in red box is G. So in red box we have G green and 5 minus G red, whereas in green box we have R red and 7 minus R green balls. Now if we count total number of red balls, it will be 5 minus G plus R and it will be equal to 6, and total number of green balls, there will be G plus 7 minus R and it should be equal to 6. So from here we can write value of R minus G, it should be 1. So that is the relationship between R and G. Now it is also given that R plus G, it is not a prime number. Now we need to find possible values of R and G. Now clearly G must be less than or equal to 5 and greater than 0, and R must be less than or equal to 7 and it must be greater than 0. Now we look at various combinations of R and G. Now R could be 1 and G could be 0. Now in this case R minus G is 1 and R plus G is not a prime number, so we're going to select it. It could be 2 1 and 2 plus 1 is 3. We are not going to accept it. Now 3 2, it is also prime. 4 3, also prime. 5 plus 4 9, it is possible. And then 6 5, 6 plus 5 is 11. So out of these 6 cases, there are only 2 cases where this R plus G, it is not a prime number. Now we need to find this probability and it is given as P by Q. Now for this red, we need to choose 5 balls. So out of 12, we can choose any 5. So it will be 12C5. Now in the first case, we have 1 red and 0 green. So from this, it will be 6C1 into 6C0 plus here it is 6C5 into 6C4. So this probability will be 6 plus 6 into 15 upon 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now 4 into 3 is 12, 5 into 2 is 10. Now this value is 6 into 16 upon 11 into 9 into 8. Now this is 2. So it will be this 12 upon 99, which is 4 by 33. So in this case, value of P is 4 and value of Q is 33. Now we need to find the value of P plus Q. Now P plus Q in this case is 37, and that is the answer to this question.